Don't pack your shoes like that if you don't have shoe bags or anything else to wrap them in. Take them out. There's a zipper in the lining of the suitcase. Unzip it and put the shoes in there. The lining material will protect your clothes from getting dirty. Zip it up and now start packing the clothes you need to take, and that's it. Stop packing your suitcase like that. There's a better way. Most of us lay it flat on the floor or a surface and pack clothes that way. But here's a smarter method. Stand your open suitcase upright on its wheels and pack your clothes vertically, like you're stacking them on a shelf. This way, you have direct access to everything and can actually see what you've packed. Avoid a damaged and scratched suitcase. You need to try this before your next trip. Anyone who travels frequently knows this common problem. After landing, your suitcase looks like it went through a battlefield. Dust, scratches, spilled liquids, and even cracks. All of these can happen to your luggage. And to make matters worse, finding your suitcase among dozens of similar ones at the airport can be a challenge. But there's a simple trick to prevent this. Just use a large t-shirt as a protective cover. Choose a shirt wide enough to fit over your suitcase, then stretch it over the bag. Tuck the sleeves inside to ensure a snug fit so it doesn't slip off during transport. This DIY cover not only protects your suitcase from damage, but also makes it easier to spot on the baggage carousel. If you pick a bright or patterned t-shirt, your luggage will instantly stand out among the rest. A simple, cheap, and effective trick worth trying before your next trip. Have you ever wondered how to open a suitcase lock when you forgot the code? In this video, I'll show you how to open it without damaging the lock or using any special tools. Don't put metal screwdrivers inside. Most locks have plastic and delicate parts that can easily break. A friend who works in airport security showed me this method that leaves no marks and doesn't damage the suitcase. He uses this trick every day at work. Since the lock parts are very small, prepare a small plastic stick. I'll be using disposable floss picks. They work perfectly for this task. A flashlight will also help you see the mechanism better. Lay the suitcase on its side so you can see the side of the lock and the number wheels. As you can see, the suitcase is locked and the code I entered doesn't work. Luckily, I know this trick. Use the stick to move them. This is an important step because we are looking for a small opening that should appear underneath them. You'll notice it because it's darker and you can insert the flat side of the stick into it. Set all the lock wheels in this position. You can use the stick to make sure everything is lined up correctly. The stick makes this task much easier and helps you avoid missing this small detail. Now move the mechanism 2 positions to the left. Let me know in the comments what city you're watching from. In some suitcases, it will be the first position to the left of the opening in the mechanism, and that's it. My suitcase opened without any special equipment or damaging the lock. This trick will save your clothes on any trip. Take a scented dryer sheet and cut it into a few smaller pieces. Place them between your clothes in the suitcase. Forget about that stale suitcase smell. Your clothes will stay fresh even while traveling. A simple hack that always works. Your clothes will thank you for it. I always do this before every flight. It's a simple way to avoid a lot of problems. A friend who's a flight attendant taught me this trick. It saves you a lot of money and gives you more peace of mind while traveling. It takes very little effort but makes a big difference. More and more people use this method because they know how important it is. Wrapping your suitcase in plastic wrap increases your luggage's security. It doesn't just protect against scratches or cracks, which is helpful when you pack it to the limit. The wrap also prevents it from splitting open and spilling your things. Most importantly, it's great protection against theft. Even locked zippers can be opened easily with a simple pencil if your suitcase doesn't have a reversed zipper. You just slide the pencil between the teeth and the zipper opens without any damage. The wrap stops this from happening. And if you wrap your suitcase at home, you'll save a lot of money you'd otherwise spend getting it wrapped at the airport. Clip a clothespin with a hair tie onto the door handle. You won't regret it. This simple trick is surprisingly useful. I never knew that an ordinary clothespin with a hair tie would become my favorite little gadget. I'm sure you'll love this idea too. Everyone has a clothespin at home, and you only need one. A wooden one works best. You'll also need a hair tie or a rubber band. Make sure it's large enough. Wrap the hair tie around the clothespin, securing it where it would normally grip a clothesline. This will keep the band from slipping. Now, attach the clothespin with the hair tie to the handle of your balcony door. Balcony doors usually don't have an exterior handle, so when you step outside, the door stays open or slightly ajar. But it doesn't have to. With the hair tie attached, step onto the balcony while holding the clothespin. As you go out, simply pull it, and the door will close behind you. This trick is useful in both summer and winter. No more letting hot or cold air into your home just because you stepped outside for a moment. Put coins in the sink in the hotel. Apparently a lot of tourists do this. This brilliant trick was shown to me by a former hotel staff member. The bathroom in hotel rooms differs in a few details from the one at home. Although at first glance it looks similar, it turns out that the sink is limited in its functions. Ordinary coins will make using it much easier. If there is no laundry machine in your hotel room, you'll probably use the sink to wash clothes. Unfortunately, the hotel sink doesn't have a plug. This is done for safety reasons. The lack of a plug minimizes the risk of flooding the room. Ordinary coins in a plastic bag can replace it. Just place the bag on the sink, then arrange a few coins on its surface to cover the drain. This way you'll make a makeshift plug that will easily help you fill the sink. Soaking and rinsing clothes in it will be easy. Travelers all over the world use this trick. Brilliant, isn't it? As soon as I enter a hotel room, I put my suitcases in the bathtub. You can laugh at me, but this rule protects me from serious problems. It's a good habit worth adopting during vacations, especially when staying in a hotel where we've never stayed before. Many people, right after entering the room, put their suitcases on the floor or bed. They begin to take out clothes and hang them in the closet. That's a huge mistake. There might be unseen guests in the room who could nestle in your luggage. I'm talking about bed bugs, which are common in places where many people pass through. Bed bugs can live in mattresses and upholstered furniture brought in by the previous occupant. Room cleaning is usually superficial, especially in busy hotels. When you enter a room, the first thing you should do is put your suitcases in the bathtub or shower. This is the area most thoroughly cleaned by the staff. Then, check the cleanliness of the mattress. Lift it up and see what the bed looks like underneath. Look into the seams of the mattress, bed frame, and headboard. Bed bugs love to stay in narrow crevices. If you don't notice anything suspicious, then and only then, take your suitcases out of the bathtub. Transporting these bugs from vacation could cost you a lot, so it's worth spending these few minutes on this test. Although it may seem strange, it can save you a lot of trouble. 99% of people don't know this brilliant trick. Lay the towel flat. It can be any color towel. Fold the long sides toward the center. Fold the bottom part into a square. Place all the things you need at the opposite end. Lay a strap in front of the items and start rolling the towel up slowly. Tuck the end of the towel into the folded pocket. Fasten the strap as usual. Your practical and stylish towel bag is ready. 3 summer beach hacks to save your day by the water. The last one will really surprise you. If sand sticks to your skin, don't rub it. Just sprinkle some baby powder on those spots and brush off the extra sand. The powder absorbs moisture so your skin stays dry, clean, and irritation-free. Grab a regular plastic bag and fill it with lake or seawater. Walk back to shore and dip each foot into the bag to rinse off sand and keep your towel and sandals clean. You can also use a bowl. Just fill it with lake water, set it at the corner of your blanket, and rinse your feet before stepping on. No sand on the blanket, no stress. These simple tricks will make every summer day by the water even more comfortable.